Welcome to this present trade tutorial on how to install and activate ParkCAD. Let's start. Once you receive the invitation email, log in to the Transoft Solutions website. Inside your account, you'll see all the products available to you. In this video, we'll focus on ParkCAD. Click Download. Here you'll see your product number and license key. These are the credentials you'll need during activation. Choose the version you want to download. You can also download older versions if needed. Once the file is downloaded, extract it. Then, open the extracted folder and click Setup to start the installation. You'll be asked where you want to install ParkCAD. If you're installing it on your local computer, choose Set up a Workstation. If you're installing it on a server, choose the server option. In this video, we'll install it on a local machine, so select Set up a Workstation, then click Install. After a moment, click Next. Now enter your product number and license key, which you can find in your Transoft Solutions account. Click Next, then accept the license terms. Next, choose the installation location for ParkCAD. Click Next again. You'll now see the option to download updates automatically. We'll keep this option checked. Continue with the installation. Once the installation finishes, the installer will ask which CAD platform you want ParkCAD to work with. In this example, we're using Civil 3D. After finishing the setup, the ParkCAD shortcut will appear and the installer will offer to open the instructions. If you're already familiar with ParkCAD, you can simply uncheck that option. Now let's open ParkCAD. When opening it for the first time, you'll see a message asking if you allow ParkCAD to collect anonymous usage data to improve the software. You can choose Yes or No. The software will then take a few moments to load the ParkCAD tab inside Civil 3D. And now it's ready to use. And here you have it. A quick way to install and activate your ParkCAD license. Contact Present Trade today if you need help getting started with ParkCAD.